Do you like Ferdinand? Yeah? Do you like your little blanky blank? What do you have to say about that? That's my favorite outfit. This is my new favorite outfit. We got doggies, and we've got bears, or monkeys, however you see it. William just stares at that camera. Hey, want your lovey? Ferdinand? You want Ferdinand? Yeah? Hey. Oh. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, goodness. What do you have to say, William? You were talking to me just a minute ago, weren't you? Weren't you talking to me? You were. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? I don't know, he says. I don't know, Mama. What do you have to say, William?